Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today I bring to you a recipe which is loved by all. That is Russian salad. It is a cold salad to be served chilled. The time process to prepare this is 15 to 20 minutes. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. So friends, let's start. The ingredients for the recipe are potatoes, 1 cup boiled and diced. Green peas, 1 cup boiled. Carrots, 1 cup boiled. French beans, 1 cup boiled. Pineapple, half a cup cut into small bits. Cream, half a cup. Mayonnaise, 1 cup. Pepper powder, 1 teaspoon. Salt, half a teaspoon. Half a cup powdered sugar. A dash of mustard since it enhances the taste. Now we shall put all the ingredients together step by step. Put the mayonnaise into the mixing bowl. Add the cream to it. Add the powdered sugar, pepper and salt, and a dash of mustard, which is optional. Whisk it together to form a smooth mixture. Now we shall add the boiled vegetables to the mixture. The potatoes, the peas, carrots, the French beans and the pineapple. Mix it, or rather toss it very lightly so that everything comes together properly. So friends, our Russian salad is ready. Do make it and share it with your family and friends. And let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.